Basketball, you betcha we're back like we never left. And we are in the building ready to work. And I'm ready to give you what you need guaranteed for you to succeed on this basketball court. It is the Daily Trainer, and I'm ready to get back to action. Let's get back to what we know. Let's get back on the go. Here we go. So, starting off with a little warm up, we're going to do our wraps. Okay, we're going to wrap it around our legs. We're going to wrap it around our bodies. We're going to wrap it around our head. Okay, we're just going to do that 2 times through. Let's do it 10 times each time. Then after we do that, we are going to hit you with some jumping jacks. We're going to hit you with some high knees. Then we're going to hit you with just the lunges for a stretch. And then we'll hit you with some sumo squat stretches. And then we're going to get right to it. After we jump rope, of course, 500 jump ropes is what I need. So let me see that too. If you don't have a jump rope, you can just pogo stick jump up 500 times. So we're going to do that 100 times, 5 times. That's typically how you would do it if you can't do 500 straight, right? And I wouldn't want you to jump 500 straight times. I don't even think that's good for your body. All right. And now that we've gotten that warm up out the way, we're going to get right into it. So moving up and down that court with dribbling, okay? Yes, you can't dribble enough. In order to be a good basketball handler of sorts with pressure, you've got to continuously dribble that ball. So everything's going to be on the move today, okay? First thing's going to be pound dribble on the move, okay? Right hand, left hand. We're getting up and down the court. So we're going to do all our moves one time, but we're going to be moving, okay? So every move that we've done, that's what we're going to do today. So right hand pounds, left hand pounds. In and out dribbles, in and out dribble, coming back. Right hand and left hand. Then you're going to go in and out cross. Come on back. Then you're going to go cross over. Come on back. Then you're going to go through the same leg and then back through the same leg. Come on back. Then we're going to go through the legs, alternating. Then come on back. Okay, so we're going to keep on doing it, and we're going to keep on going through all of them. Behind the back, through the legs, cross. I'm not going to name them all, okay? You watch what you know. If you haven't mastered the handles that we've already provided for you, then you can watch these videos and get better at them. Or do up to the ones that you can do well, and then try to practice the ones that you're not very good at, okay? You're more than welcome to do extra reps if you want, but I just want you to go through it all one time, okay? So we did a lot of layups yesterday, which was great. Hope you really saw that basketball go into the basket, and hope you felt confident about seeing it go in. Now we're gonna get into shooting, okay? So shooting today, we are going to go right into around the world because it's just right around the basket. So that's what I like. So that's going to be more of your form shooting today is around the world. So instead of 1 time through, we're going to go 2 times through with around the world, and we're going to make 3 each spot. So that's going to give you a real good feel around the rim. Then what you're going to do is you're going to form shoot with your footwork. Okay. Then you're going to shoot the bank shots. Then after the bank shots, we're going to go 3-level cone shooting, okay? So you got your 3-pointers where there's no cones. You got your mid-range where it's about the elbow. Then you got that high percentage shot where you usually shoot a floater, but I want you to shoot a pull-up today, okay? Remember, we're working all the moves into it. Just an easy in and out pull-up, easy crossover right into it, okay? And then even if you want to work kind of the dribble stop with the same leg, you can make that as well, okay? So we're going to do that. And then you take your water break after shooting 5 free throws. Put that water down and let's get back. Let's go. Let's get to it. All right, so now shooting again, okay? We got our 3s all the way around, okay? That's what I want, all the way around. Where you shoot, get the rebound, come back around, shoot, get the rebound, come back around, shoot, get the rebound, come back around, okay? So you're going to do that, okay? We're going to do our 4-spot shooting. Okay, today what I want is you to make one of those spots consistently. So I want them to see 4 in a row. I believe I did it on camera, so you can definitely do it too. So either your baseline shot's going to be 4 in a row or your wing shot's going to be 4 in a row. Doesn't matter which one, but it's got to happen on one of them. Okay, so I do want you to do that. Then I want you to do 3-level shooting, where you're getting the layups in, you're getting the mid-range in, and then you're getting the 3-ball in. Let's do 3 of those. Then lastly, for your shooting today, what I would like is for you to dribble up, and I know we don't have it on camera, but our dribble up, I want you to cross over. So you're gonna dribble up to the 3, cross over, work on shooting the 3. Okay, so dribble up with that same energy that we have on film, and then just add a crossover into it. Okay, that's it. If you want to go through the legs, that's fine. It's a little bit harder shot, but just cross over, just kind of get to the side and shoot that 3. All right, so that's what we are doing today. And again, you're gonna make 3 from each spot on the 3s, 2 from each spot on the cones, and then we're doing 3 times with our 3-level shooting. And then remember, it's got to be 4 times in a row when you're doing your baseline shooting and your wing shooting. All right, so that is what we're doing for shooting today. And then, yes, don't forget, we are definitely doing defense today. So we're gonna do our sprint and our positional movement. Okay, so sprint down, our plant, we're gonna slide across, come all the way across, slide and back pedal. We're gonna do that. Then we're going to also do our long defensive drill, where this is another one of my, little bit more of my favorite ones, where we slide up, slide to the side, slide back pedal, denial again, then slide out, and then go sprint out. So we're gonna do that one. And then we're gonna do our 4 square drill. Then we're going to sprint around our perimeter, and then we're gonna defensive slide around the perimeter, and then we're gonna work our zigzags and our sprint. And that is what we're going to do today for defense. Now, you may be a little tired, so I do want you to go to the free throw line and make 5. And then last but not least, conditioning. You're like, whoa, that felt like conditioning. No. We're gonna do some conditioning. Okay, so today you got a 17 countdown. 17 countdown is 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. So you're gonna run the sideline. You can run it or you can dribble it with your weak hand, but you're gonna run a 17. You're gonna take a break for about 45 seconds. You're gonna run a 15, take a break for about 30 seconds. Run a 13, take a break for about 30 seconds. Run 11, take a break for about 30 seconds. Run 9, take a break for about 17 seconds. Run 7, 5, 3, and 1. Okay, and your breaks are going to be shorter in between that. And then your 1, I want you just to sprint hard right after you get done. I don't even want you to rest that much. So you're almost running a 4 because you're just running right after you get done. Okay, so you're doing that for the 17s, and then I want 4 liners today. I know you're like, man, what is going on? Who are you upset at? I'm not upset at anybody. I just want you to get in shape. Okay, remember, are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? That is the goal, because at the end, you don't want to say why you're not in shape, because there's no excuses. All right, Basketball U, I hope you are feeling great after this workout, and I hope you're not too tired, and I hope you tried to complete it. I know it's a hard one, but it's a good one. All right, and you definitely need it in your system. Very good, Basketball U. I appreciate you. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. If not, share it with somebody and let them know that there's some free training going on in Basketball U, and we're giving you everything that you need, and we're going to keep giving you some more to succeed. All right, Basketball U, I'm out of here. It's the Daily Trainer. Oh yeah, and don't forget this. Somebody's always working. Are you?